Oh my God! Wow!
Go ahead and subscribe to my channel right now because you guys are definitely in for a treat. As you guys have already seen, today we will be making some buffalo chicken wings, and we will actually be showing you guys how to make your own buffalo sauce at home. So for the ingredients, we will start with 1 stick of butter, some minced garlic, chili powder, hot sauce of your choice, crushed red pepper, lemon pepper. That was for the sauce. Now for the chicken, we will be using some black pepper, some delicious accent seasoning, some chicken fajita seasoning, as well as some seasoning salt. So we decided to purchase some chicken wingettes and drumettes, which are just the little party wings, because I love the flats. But you can also use whole wings or chicken tenders. You can make chicken nuggets with this sauce or anything of that nature. Whatever cut of chicken that you decide to purchase, just make sure that you wash it. First, we're going to go ahead and season up our chicken to our liking using those seasonings that I showed you guys. Now we use, I would say, about half a teaspoon on one side, and then we flipped it over, and about half a teaspoon of each on the other side. But again, you will season these to your liking. You can choose whatever seasoning blend that you would like, and you can also adjust the amount of seasoning that you use. So go ahead and flip it over, and we're going to go ahead and season the other side the exact same way that we did the first one. Once you've got your chicken seasoned, you can place it to the side for 1 second and go ahead and get your oil heated on medium heat. You can use any oil of your choice. We normally use canola oil, but they didn't have it, so today we're using vegetable oil. Now I am going to melt 1 stick of butter or 8 tablespoons of butter in my skillet on medium-low heat, and this will be the base of that buffalo sauce. Now, if you don't eat butter, you don't have to use butter. You can use margarine, or I can't believe it's not butter, or whatever you use as a butter substitute. Go ahead and use that as your base. Once you got that butter or margarine completely melted, you will go ahead and add half a cup of hot sauce or buffalo sauce into the butter. Next, we will be adding about a 1/4 teaspoon of lemon pepper to the sauce. You will also add a 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder to your sauce. Now we're adding 1 tablespoon of minced garlic as well as a half teaspoon of crushed red peppers. And once you got everything added to your sauce, you'll just go ahead and get it stirred up and continue to let that cook on medium-low heat for about 10 minutes or so. Once your oil is nice and hot, you'll go ahead and add your chicken wings in and let them cook for about 7 minutes. So when making the sauce, I pretty much stir it the entire time that it's cooking, just because it does have fresh garlic in the sauce. I don't want the garlic to burn, and then the sauce will be nasty at that point. So just be mindful of that. When you cook with fresh garlic, it does burn easily, so you don't want to just allow it to sit in the bottom of the skillet on the heat. So this is what it does look like, guys. Once the butter and the buffalo sauce melts together, it'll be that color. Our wings are now ready as well. They're looking delicious and nice and crispy, good enough to eat without the sauce. The moment of truth. Oh my God, that looks so good. And for garlic lovers, I bet y'all are just like, yes, because that's how I was. I wanted all of the garlic on my wings. So you guys can choose to do it this way if you would like. I just added my chicken wings into the skillet because I wanted the wings to cook in the sauce for a few minutes, just because I felt like that would be more flavorful that way. But I do know that some people also bake the wings after they put them in the sauce, and some people just toss them in the sauce. So you can do that however you would like to do. But again, I wanted my wings to be super flavorful, so I just let them soak up some of these juices and seasonings that were in the bottom. Y'all, these wings were like heaven sent. I have never had a wing sauce this flavorful. I kid you not, guys. My taste buds were like dancing in my mouth the entire time. These wings were so good. Buffalo Wild Wings could never. Y'all could never. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for staying tuned to this video. Thank you so much for watching it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below, let me know how you liked it, and lastly, hit that notification bell so that you can be notified the next time I post a video. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and have a wonderfully blessed day.